I'm Mohammed, and we are the Just Tech project. Our client is Jeff Simons from the New Zealand Master Games. The problem we are looking to solve is that the current Masters Games website not taken into consideration being accessed from a mobile device. Our goal is to make the games and information more accessible to the participants of the Masters Games by increasing what they can do on a tablet or a smartphone. In order to achieve this goal, we have started building a responsive web-based application that can be easily accessed using a mobile device. When we started building our MVP, we aimed for a system that is responsive, simple, and available for mobile devices. And these were the main functional requirements we completed for our MVP. Now I'm going to pass you to Thomas, who's going to talk to you more about the MVP.
Well, hello. This here is MVP. That slide there, the far right one, shows a list of all the events. There's over 70 events in the Masters Games, which range from traditional events such as archery, cricket, to some more relaxed ones such as poker and music. But they're all there, and when you click on one of the boxes, all the other boxes close, so there's only one open at a time. We designed this for mobile, so the screen wasn't being too cluttered and hard to read. This here is our basketball site. It's got the location of the map and the actual location of it underneath. That one, this button underneath is time, and like our list, when one is open, the other one closes. That shows you the time, like say 4 p.m. and date, say Monday the 2nd or whatever, Monday the 3rd will be on February, for instance. There's photos and sharing, or they don't really work, they only just open up a wee pop-up just saying photos or sharing. You've got social buttons at the bottom. Whenever you scroll up and down, they follow you and stay on the screen. Obviously it's easy for people to access on mobile devices and desktop. Here are some of the examples of our responsiveness. There's also a couple more sizes but this is some of the main ones. You can see a few changes such as with the menu is hidden. Again, just a wee icon you click and it'll scroll down. The back button works. And you can see the buttons have been shifted around and several sizes have changed. We tested on several size screens, smaller ones, and we tested on different types such as Windows Phone, Android, iOS and all that, to see how it all worked. You can see we just used Chrome. We're currently working on getting it ready for Firefox and having a wee look at IE as well to make sure so other people can access it on that. But mainly be focusing on Firefox and Chrome, being ready for that, as they're the more common ones that people are using now, and more common. Another aspect of the MVP was we didn't really focus it for the long and winning games. We just focused on the information from the past games and take it for Dunedin. As you can see, the photo there is just the Dunedin railway station. Bill will now talk about our progress, what we're going to be doing from now.
For the robust delivery, Thomas will be working on expanding and creating the database. He will be looking at the query needs and looking at integrating with the current Masters Games database. Also, he will be doing some data entry, but we are looking at pulling most of it from the current database. We are currently in talks about getting access to it. on the PHP part, Mohammed will be working on maps, news, and social aspects, punctuality. Also, he will be looking into the FN details once the database is sorted. On the design, I'll be working redesigning the website throughout the project. Work on the user functionality. Also, I'll be looking at the other browser styling. And we'll be working together on the ones highlighted. Thanks for listening. Any questions?
What's your plan for user testing of this? What points would you do some user testing, like formatting and functionality?
Well, we've already done some user testing because the games was held the first night of February, so we spent a week just going around as many events as we could, surveying people, so we ended up into several hundred people, so we got from people from 30 to people in their 70s. So we got a good range of people, male, female. So we talked to people from Canada, people from Geneva, people from Central Otago. So we got
Out of all those people that surveyed, what were the top three things that they thought were most important for their
results and draw. That was one thing they all wanted.
Yeah.
And that was probably the first thing that they all said. Most people found the current site contains and was it easier to use. Just a few people that thought it was fine, but there's conflicting opinions. You're going to have 100 people saying they all like this. So, maps, that was the other main one, like finding events like actions, because like I said, all of them were from out of Dunedin, and so they didn't know where everything was. So.
Also, they want it to be easy and simple to use.
All right. Very good. Thank you. So, on behalf of all the students here, I'd like to thank the Dragons for coming along and offering kind words and interesting questions. There are some questions here that I wrote down, and I shall be coming back to you because some of them I don't think we had answers for, which is the whole point of doing this this exercise. It's not to show what smart accounts we are now, it's to really highlight the things that we need to be working on. So, have a round of applause for the Dragons, please. And before everybody goes, I want to take a photo of everybody before they've done the project kind of deal. So, yeah, everyone's in their suits. So we're going to get everybody to cram come on one side of the room, but in a way that you can see me standing here with a camera.